welcome back to Slime Rancher. So like I've made my ranch different. What we're gonna do today is make more money than we have. I noticed some people in some videos, they have like nearly got 1 million new books, but I got way over 1 million new books. If you see, I got way over that. So what I would like to have is my drone to stop being lazy. Drone, will you stop being lazy, please? Alright, yeah. No food around. Okay, so first thing. Oh yeah, right. Why did my music stop? That's fine. Okay, fine. So what should I write? Oh yes, right. Yes. What? That's funny. Okay, Awn rooster. T, where is T? Oh right, I found it. Error. Easy, next to each other. Okay. 500. 500. Ooh, 500 roosters. Oh! Did you just see that? They just exploded. It's raining of roosters now. Hey, my drone's awake. So now the meat-eating ones can have food. Wait, is he in that corral? Oh, good, he's out. Where's that? That's the mosaic slime. Hey, you. So, you're supposed to be over there with the veggies. Hey, you. Okay. It's a bit strange. Before, all my shortcuts were closed. Wait, so if the radiation goes on one teleporter, then all the teleporters close? Or maybe that's just a bug. Not like an island saver bug. Not like one of those bugs. Just like a normal bug, like a computer bug, where it gets glitchy. So, for now, we're heading to the glass desert. Because I want to make a teleporter hub. Because it's better making always a teleporter hub. Nah, I'll do this. I'll just keep taking this way. But what I need to do is like delete most of my teleporters, except from my secret one to actually go to the secret vaults. Because like, with the cheap menu, you can like, just fly all the way to the secret vaults, which is this business. That's right. Where you can get lots of stuff, you can get full ancient water. What should I be carrying in my gun? I want to carry something for some reason. What should I be carrying? I don't want any bug reports, neither a chime at all. No. Oh right, yeah, I see. So, Maxwell. So like, what would I have? I want like lots of teleporters, so like around everywhere. And there's over enough for having an entire teleporter hub. I would max this. Or I could refill items. Easy. I should have done that, and then this would be opened entirely. Oh, I remember this wall. For some reason it's glitching. Maybe because all my expansions are full of too much stuff. Or maybe that time when I had the pure saber slimes and the gold saber lagos. Also, I forgot to do something. But we'll do it later. I'm not going through there anytime soon. For any home teleporters, or else that will just make the video longer. So there used to be a door there. It doesn't seem like there has to be a door there anymore. It seems like here there has to be a door, or here there has to be a giant slime door where you put lots of Plotinus type of statues, and then you find another one, and then you hear those funny noises, and then it just, well, I'm not gonna go in there, even if I said whoa, because that would, it's safe, because yes, it's safe. Well, so I'm not gonna show you my secret teleporter that goes to the secret vaults. Okay, no gilded ginger here. No gilded ginger here. Neither around here. And here. And here. And here. So if you hear a tingling noise on a gilded ginger spot that you know, then there is going to be like a tingling sound. You can hear it from not so far away, but I'll be off cam re-putting that music on. I don't know why it went off, but anyways, I'm gonna be off cam for doing that. So guys, now I've put the music back on. This is Late in the Moss Blanket. what you do is like go on Google and then type Slime Rancher musics, and then like you can have those musics, you can have the tar music, any music, except if you want to hear videos. So, ooh, it's the Firestorm. I also have the Firestorm music. So like in here, let me see, what can I just don't remember what. Oh yeah, the teleporter hub. And yes, we're on the perfect spot. So we're here. Okay. There's no reason I should like delete that other teleporter. There is a reason to delete this and go across there and delete this. So now what I'm gonna press is T. So now I'll demolish it. And I need to install nothing here. Now I need to go across there. Demolish. What I would do is something. So we go across here. And I would demolish this. So I remember I had different teleporters there around also. But that was just making it easier for me to actually get across all the way towards Gilded Ginger's spot. So I'm not really aiming for that. I'm trying to aim for money. But I'll find more teleporters, so I'll cut the video from here to when I found the other teleporters. So guys, I now got that. So now I found that teleporter. Now let's demolish this guy. Hey, the music has changed. Oh, wait. What, even the tar? Ah, the firestorm's ended. Good. And also I escaped these crazy chickens. Those crazy feral chickens and tar and feral slimes. They're all kinds of feral things. So I guess that's it. I guess. So let's set our first teleporters. Then we'll head around everywhere. So for now I'm heading here. So also what I would like to know is well, I'm not gonna say stuff for now. Well, But what I would really like to know about the glass desert, like maybe some other people may, why is the glass desert got the strange sand sea and a normal map of its own? Oh yeah, look at this. Look at all that. All from the last video, where I got billions of gold Gordos and I found floating gold Gordos. I wonder why there's nothing like any gold slimes anymore. Ah no, there's feral chickens. Okay, so for now we're heading. I'm gonna change store. Okay, so you see my Hunter Gordo over there? If you were wondering, so guys, here I got 3 teleporters set. Well, I'm not going in there. I'm going to demolish the entire thing and re-put it. Blue teleporter, install. Let's turn that around. Good. Now this one teleports. What? We have 2 glass desert teleporters. That's not right. So we'll demolish that. And we'll put it in again. Now what should we not there. What should we put here? I would put a pink one. Wait a sec, what? No! No! Oh man, that's bad. That's annoying. No pink teleport. Alright. Now I'm going a bit crazy. Okay. Because now I demolished like my secret passage to like the secret vault. So I'll refix it. Oh, okay. Okay, so alright, E. I was forgetting where E is. Ooh, I would put a gold teleporter. That's butterscotch. So you're thinking that's gold, but that's butterscotch. That's the gold. I'll put that as the home one. Wait a sec, what? I should demolish this. Ooh, a gold slime! Gold slime! Yes! Okay. That's water. Slimes, don't eat that. Gold slime, get in my gun. Okay, he's in the gun. Now, he didn't. Okay, I don't really need that much. Oh, he's back. Oh no, What happens if we feed a gold slime a tar? No, I mean a tar a gold slime. Ouch. Okay, I'm going to just be cutting this part of the video to actually get back to that area of the glass desert. Okay? So, I'm not at the glass desert yet. So, I just wanted to actually stop the cut because I just wanted you to hear the Firestorm music. It's just my things because I like the Firestorm music a lot. I love it, just like the Glass Desert musics. All of them. Even like the Late Night Moss Blanket music. Even like the Indigo Quarry one. That's why I put in a whole playlist of like different songs I like of Slime Rancher. But doesn't the Indigo Quarry song sound a bit sad, like kind of like saddish? Because at the beginning it seemed more sad, the Indigo Quarry song, when I started hearing that. Ooh, listen to this. Listen. Oh, look at this. Which? Are you a puddle? Yeah, you're a pink puddle largo. I wonder why I can't suck the puddle largos up. Hey, you. Okay, he wants to stay there. I can't suck them in for some reason. Maybe it's a bug or something. Sometimes I can. Maybe it's a kind of virus stopping me. Ooh, yes. Another Glass Desert song. So, now, we're back at this area. While I was getting that big cut, I went in the Firestorm a bit. Then if you go in there, then the Firestorm can't really reach. So the Firestorm's still here, just that you can't see it. It won't reach here. Huh, that's right. Okay. So now the music is the Moss Blanket Late at Night. Okay, let's just think about the warp tech because we're nearly finished. Install. Good. So guys, do you like that song of like, tell me in the comments if you like the Firestorm song or any song that I have on my playlist, because I would really love to know. I have to turn. Here we go. T. Let's see. Don't put it a bit badly. Here we go. Okay, done. we got our organization all good. So now we'll take the home teleporter. Oh no, it's feral chickens everywhere. Okay, so let's sleep until morning. So we're back in the ranch. What's he doing? His fell asleep floating. He's floating while sleeping. Okay. 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 Alright, deep go. T, where is T? Okay, found it. S-I-T-E. Alright, found it. Okay, enter. Now let's hope the gadget site's placed. Here we go, placed. Gold teleporter. Butterscotch and gold teleporter, they may tease you a bit that they're gold teleporters or the butterscotch. Oh no, I'm not demolishing. So now we can go back. So back and forth to our little teleporter hub. Oh, look, there's even a phosphor slime. Hey buddy, get in. Yeah, he's in. He shouldn't be here. Or I got an idea. I'll turn him into a shadow slime. Maybe in the glass desert. Yeah, that's a nice place to mess around with stuff. Okay, rad plot. So you go down here, eat. Please don't disappear. Get that. There you go. Come on, whack it in your face. He's eating it. Come on, before you disappear. Yes. We whacked it in his face. Now he'll turn into a shadow slime. You'll see. So let's just wait. So he disappears, and instead of disappearing all from existence, he'll turn into a shadow slime. That's how the mode works. I just don't know why it works with these guys. Or just those guys. Let's just... So, I think it's because diet fruit and veggie makes diet meat. And that's what's the shadow slime's diet. Favorite, unknown. because there's two favorites all mixed together and something else. Favorite unknown as a meat also. So let's just wait for him. Oh, did you see that? Now I'll make it night. Or maybe I'll make it quick. Come on, buddy, get hungry. Ooh, he's bigger. Another night skip. Is he gonna get bigger? Okay, look at this. I can't suck him anymore, I guess. I can't get him in my gun. Let's try doing something. I'll get like royal fashion pod. Hold that look on you. It's as big as a Gordo's. That's very funny. I just can't believe it's a big shadow slime. Okay, let's feed him because I guess he's mad. We don't want him to explode the glass desert. Here we go. You can have all these chickens to eat, and you can turn into a smaller one. Here we go. Let's see him. Oh, his crown turned into a normal slime crown. Okay, let's go back to work. We can't just let this video be forever. Okay, so I'll cut until we what really, guys? Until we head to the moss blanket. I should have demolished this one instead. So guys, I went on putting a blue teleporter in the dry reef. There it is. It teleports to the same place. Now I need to remember which are the colors. I should have went like to the place and seen which other colors did I have. Or else if I put in normal colors, that wouldn't work. It would just be nothing. But just a teleporter. Okay, this one's open. This one's open. And then that's a violet. So that's gonna be at the moss blanket. What? I also have to demolish that. I have to pick up and put something else. So I've installed that. So now we're back here. Here could be a nice area to place a gadget site. Okay, so arrow up and done. Easy. If you have the mode and you've written already. Which teleporter was not used? Okay. This is a hard pick. But I know one that's still not been used at all. Butterscotch, buddy. The butterscotch one. Okay. Now, what we'll do is head to the ruins. So I said the video was gonna be about like doing whatever the thing is it. Oh yeah, getting money. That one, I overthought it. I overthought it. I overthought it. So like, I couldn't really actually be doing that. I didn't really want to do that, and also I was expecting the teleporter hub. Well, let me explain it. I was expecting the teleporter hub like next video, but instead it just came out this video. So it was not really about doing that. I just was overthinking because the teleporter hub was way cooler. But we can do some money today. Whoa, how did you get out? Oh yeah, I see, they're starving. That's annoying. You guys are starving. Oh, I knew this. And he's allowed to be free range. I should get billions of phase lemons here. Actually, no. I'll do something even cooler. I'll suck him up. I'll go Control Tab. And now, phase lemon. So, how do we spell phase lemon first? B. I need to get one phase lemon because I'm not good at spelling stuff. I'm not so good. That's how I was actually thinking. Okay, let's Spone 500 turns into Spone. Lemon. M-O-N. Is that done? Yeah, that's done. Oh, I spelled it wrong. I see. Wait, what? Darrenette's not fading away for now. Okay. So, for now, I'll do this again. I'll do this. This, I guess, turns into a finger space. Will this work? Use Spurn ID count. Right, instead I'll do B. That's okay. That'll take forever and ever and ever. That's boring, long jobs. Long, boring jobs. Wait a sec, what the? What? What? What the? A tiny baby chick. Oh, so that's the thing that was missing on my Slimepedia. I still haven't got that. So on cancel, you can't get these modes. None of them. If you're on Steam, you can get the modes that I have. If you're like on longer time ago games, like on old versions of the game, then that'll just be all different. I don't know how to say it. Oh man, I knew this would happen. Tornadoes. Range destructive tornadoes. Where's my drone gone? Is it lost again? Okay. So thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe for this channel and hit that like button, please. I hope you would do that. And also tell me in the comments, what else do you want to see me try? And then I'll try it. I'll be trying it. But not like a pink slimy in a tar, or like a gold slimy in a tar. So, anyways, bye.